Today I will show you how I turned myself into Guy Sensei using Photoshop. First I wore something similar to Guy Sensei's outfit. Put on a belt over sweatpants. Yes, he puts on a belt over his sweatpants. I don't know why, but he does.
Are you trying to make fun of Guy Sensei?
No. This is going to hurt. For his orange leg warmers, I used crepe bandage. Then it came to me that I haven't trimmed my mustache. Yes, I just realized it. And then my trimmer died on me. So I put it to charge, which was not working on its own. So I waited for it to charge, looking like this. But that's not the worst part. I tied the bandage very tightly. So I was not able to walk properly. And then I was ready to shoot. But I didn't have anyone to help. Because everyone was busy moving things around as our house was being whitewashed. But a few days later, I got time to shoot this. After some unsuccessful tries, I thought, why not spice it up? Which did turn out to be better. Then I decided to jump right back into Photoshop, where I extracted myself first, found the perfect background at once. At least that's what I thought. Now I had the perfect one. Did some exposure adjustment. For the veins, I used the perfect image of, you guessed it, a wood. And I finally decided to move to the dragon. For the dragon, I basically traced the real one using the same method I used for Howry, and then I had it. Now we have it. Then I had to rearrange my system again because of this stupid whitewash. Personally, I was not satisfied with the edit. So I decided to make the whole body of dragon to cover the background. No, I just copied it. Still something was not right. So I watched the episode in which Guy Sensei opens all his 8 gates. And then I found he had bright eyes. Which meant I was done with the edit. But before we move on to the main edit, do consider subscribing to the channel and press the like button if you like the video, and comment down below your favorite anime character. And now we will move on to the main edit.